You don't need a label, a studio, or a manager to start treating your music like a real business. You need 5 minutes and Claude AI. Because if you're a musician, Claude can help with the stuff that usually slows you down. Lyrics, set lists, artist bios, social captions, even the boring business paperwork nobody wants to deal with. And no, this does not replace your sound. It does not replace your voice. It just helps clear the busy work so you can spend more time making music. Here are 5 practical ways musicians can use Claude AI. Number 1, songwriting help. Every musician knows this feeling. You've got a melody. You've got a vibe. Maybe you even have one line you love, but the rest of the song just will not come out. That's where Claude can help. You can tell Claude the mood, the story, the genre, and a few lyrics you already have. For example, I'm writing an acoustic song about missing someone after a big life change. Here are 3 lines I already have. Help me build a verse, chorus, and bridge that keeps the same emotional tone. Claude can give you options. It can help with structure. It can suggest stronger lines. It can help you find a chorus idea when you're stuck staring at the same sentence for 20 minutes. But here's the key. Don't just copy and paste what it gives you. Use it like a writing partner. Take the idea, make it sound like you, and then let your own ear decide what stays. Claude gets you unstuck. You still bring the soul. Number 2, practice and set list planning. This one is huge for live musicians. A good set list is not just a list of songs. It has energy. It has pacing. It has moments where the crowd gets pulled in, then lifted back up. You can paste your songs into Claude and ask, "Here's my set list for a 45-minute show. Help me order these songs for the best crowd energy. Tell me where to play slower songs, where to build momentum, and where the strongest closer should go." Now you've got a second brain helping you think through the show. Claude can also help you build a practice plan. You can say, "I have a gig in 2 weeks. I can practice 40 minutes a day. Help me build a practice schedule for this set list." That gives you a real plan instead of just playing the songs you already like over and over again. Number 3, artist bios and press kits. Let's be honest. Most musicians hate writing about themselves. You can write songs all day, but the second someone says, "Send me your artist bio," everything freezes. Claude can help you turn your story into something usable. Give it your background, influences, genre, location, and what makes your sound different. Try this. Write a short artist bio for a musician who blends country, rock, and soul. Make it sound personal, professional, and not too polished. Keep it under 150 words. Then ask for a few versions. One for your website, one for Spotify, one for booking emails, one for social media. This is where Claude really helps. It takes the pressure off that awkward self-promotion part and gives you a clean starting point. Number 4, social captions and content ideas. If you just played a show, recorded a song, rehearsed with the band, or filmed behind-the-scenes footage, don't let that content disappear on your phone. Use it while it's fresh. Tell Claude what happened and ask for caption ideas. For example, I just played a small acoustic set at a local venue. The crowd sang along during the last song. Give me 5 Instagram caption ideas that feel grateful, natural, and not too salesy. Now you've got options. You can ask for a funny version, a heartfelt version, a short version, a version that invites comments. You can also ask Claude to turn one moment into multiple posts. A caption for Instagram, a short description for YouTube Shorts, a Facebook Reel post, a behind-the-scenes story idea. That means one show can become a week of content. And for independent musicians, that matters. Because people don't just follow songs. They follow the story behind the songs. Number 5, contracts and business basics. This is the part musicians usually avoid. Split sheets, collaboration agreements, gig contracts, licensing terms, payment details. Claude is not your lawyer, and you should not treat it like one. But it can help you understand what you're looking at. You can paste in a contract and ask, "Explain this in plain English. What should I pay attention to before signing?" Claude can break down confusing language. It can flag sections that may need a closer look. It can help you draft a basic checklist before you talk to a professional. It can also help you create a first draft for simple things like a gig agreement or collaboration outline. Again, this is not legal advice, but it can help you walk into the conversation more prepared. And that alone can save you stress, time, and confusion. So here's the big idea. Claude AI does not replace musicians. It does not replace your voice, your taste, your timing, or your creativity. But it can help with the parts around the music. The planning, the writing blocks, the captions, the bios, the organization, the business basics. And when those things get easier, you get more time for the thing that actually matters: making the music. If you're a musician, try one of these today. Open Claude and ask it to help with one thing you've been putting off. Not everything, just one thing. You might be surprised how fast it gets you moving. And if this helped, subscribe to Claude AI Unlock.